Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. After this mixture, your hands can become smooth, like a baby's. This mask can be made for everyone. After it, your hands will be much more tender and younger. If you work a lot at home, this is the best decision for you. Here are the ingredients you need. 2 teaspoons of honey. 1.5 teaspoons of glycerin. 3 teaspoons of olive oil. 1 yolk. 5 drops of lemon juice water for diluting thickened honey. Mix it all in a container and put on hands for 15 minutes. You can put on kitchen gloves, they will enhance the effect. When you wash the mask with water, apply cream on your hands. Recommended in the evening. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.